This Weichert Realtors, the Spiesman Group, property video is presented by Celeste Lukaszewski. Trouble-free, low-maintenance, ranch in a desirable neighborhood surrounded by mature trees and friendly wildlife awaits you. This 3-bedroom, 1-bath home offers beautiful wood floors, soled wood doors, full basement, and a long paved driveway that leads to the attached 1-car garage. Come see how beautiful and green the welcoming backyard is and fall in love with the idea of ranch living in the idyllic town of Saugerties. For more information, review the details below or contact Celeste Lukaszewski at 845-336-2633.